Hey guys, part 4 on the Jacobsen. First off, nice day out today. A little cloudy, but cool, nice. Got the engine painted. I'm going to change the spark plug, that's why I went ahead and just painted it. Missed a couple little spots, but I ain't going to worry about it, I don't think. I got pretty good coverage. Fans, most of this was all really cruddy high heat engine paint, so the exhaust should be fine. I might be changing it anyway. That's on there to cover up the intake hole. And I got the generator bracket painted. I got another bracket of some sort painted. I got the front end painted. And I got most of the tractor together, as a matter of fact. All painted up. I got some on the steering wheel too, but I ain't gonna worry about it. And the bird doo-doo is all over the place. It'll be finished today, other than the wheels and a couple of little things. I might get the wheels done today, but I doubt it. I need more paint. And I kinda can't get any Krylon unless I'm in Russellville, which I can't get to. It's 10 miles away. And I have no license, no vehicle. Oh well. That's about it though. Short update, small, kind of big, I don't know. Rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of this thing, guys. I'll have another update later on. Bye. Part 2, part 4, guys. Got the engine all put back together. Pretty shiny if you ask me. I hope I got everything where it needs to be. I'll tell you what, it's a brat. That thing weighs like 60 pounds. It's stupid. Let me know what you think, guys. Comment on this. I want some feedback. Alright, I'm out again. Well, now I am anyway.